Picture a city in 2040 where your home knows your every need before you do. Skyscrapers purify the air around them, and roads harvest energy as you drive. What if your city could heal itself, optimize your health, and adapt in real time? Today, we dive into the architectural revolutions and unexpected challenges that are transforming smart cities from fantasy into our near future. By 2040, urban landscapes will be unrecognizable. Buildings will breathe, cities will think, and infrastructure will work for you. Welcome to the next generation of smart cities. Let's explore how these architectural breakthroughs will redefine how we live, work, and connect. First up, the structural DNA of tomorrow. Gone are the days of steel and glass. Tomorrow's buildings will be crafted from self-healing concrete, adaptive facades that change with sunlight and prop their own power. Expand with Toyota's Woven City, a real-world lab at the foot of Mount Fuji where wooden, hydrogen-powered homes, AI sensors, underground logistics, and autonomous pods, known as e-pallets, are already being tested. Introduce the concept of sponge cities, designed to soak up stormwater using permeable pavements, rain gardens, and wetlands. This is actively underway in cities like Sanya, New York, Vienna, and Los Angeles to counter flooding and absorb billions of gallons of rain. Think of buildings that repair themselves, or sidewalks that breathe rainwater like sponges. That's not tomorrow's sci-fi. It's happening now. The urban environment as an intelligent system. Think IoT in your streetlights, AI optimizing energy, and digital twins that mirror reality. IoT is embedded at the design stage, not just retrofitted. Tools like Revit and ArchiCAD now include smart sensor planning by default. AI-managed energy systems already deliver up to 20% energy savings in public buildings. Digital twins, virtual living city replicas using real-time data. Singapore's Virtual Singapore allows planners to test urban designs, simulate traffic, and manage disasters. Around 500 cities globally are adopting digital twin platforms by 2025, a powerful tool for energy, transport, and environmental optimization. Varanasi's LiDAR-based digital twin helps predict flood zones ahead of time, enhancing disaster readiness. We're talking interactive, living models, not just blueprints. It's like giving a city its own nervous system, a mirror and command center at once. Smart cities are only as good as the people who live in them. Let's talk personalization, inclusion, and community. Smart data shaping amenities. Imagine parks adjusting layout based on real-time usage, or dynamic lighting that enhances safety and ambiance. Technology isn't just for convenience. Continually re-engineer social spaces to foster human connection, from AI-managed plazas to communal health pods. Smart homes monitoring wellness, streets designed for inclusivity, ensuring these cities empower every resident, regardless of age or ability. Data shouldn't isolate us. The goal? Cities that sense our collective heartbeat and respond, not just with efficiency, but empathy. What's at stake? Why these innovations matter? Cities like Amsterdam use twins to optimize energy flows and integrate renewable power grids, cutting infrastructure waste. Smart dashboards combine emergency, traffic, and environmental data for rapid response and better outcomes. Imagine adaptive water, waste, and energy systems managed in real time, reducing costs and improving quality of life. This is urban architecture and infrastructure working together to lower carbon footprints, save dollars, and maybe even save lives. But progress comes with hurdles. No city is perfect just yet. Digital twins rely on data. This raises valid fears. Who owns it? How's it protected? And is the city transparent? Past missteps in cities like Toronto and Portland show it's not a guarantee. Not every community can afford smart upgrades. Without equity-centered planning, we risk deepening existing inequalities. Developed cities lead the charge, but developing areas must not be left behind. Architects must balance algorithmic efficiency with cultural expression. Machines can optimize. Humans must romanticize too. Digital twins are everything. Electricity, water, traffic, waste, and that's just a lot of manpower cities don't have, can't afford. Only use high detail when you know those designs will actually be built. That nails it. Ambitious, but only as effective as data, funding, and reality allow. It's not about replacing architects with code, but enriching our design sensibility. We must build smart, but also keep it human. We've glimpsed futuristic structures that heal, streets that think, and cities that adapt. But the ultimate measure of success? how these innovations uplift our communities. Which smart city innovation excites you the most? Self-healing materials, digital twins, sponge city infrastructure, or AI-optimized energy? Let me know in the comments. Let's envision the future together. Hit that like button if you believe the city of tomorrow should feel alive, and subscribe if you want a front row seat to our evolving urban future. The next smart world is just around the corner.